South Cotabato team here in San Juan. Ball is up and we are on. Cruz pulls up. Yes! Some color developing there.
Correct.
Tingnan natin yung galaw dito ni Mark Cruz.
Ganda ng jumper, ganda ng read niya.
Sabi siguro ni Coach Elvis nung napituan kanina si Marwin. Marwin, sayang yung foul mo. Ihanda mo kay Banti yan. Justin Baltasar and even Jeff Viernes has helped develop his game. Less pressure as well on him to deliver.
Larry Rodriguez making up for the turnovers and for them. If I'm not mistaken, they didn't make the playoffs. Nung nasa kanila pa si Mike Wico, I believe.
They did once. No,
I think that was the second season.
Now Felix Apreco assigned to guard Justin Baltasar. Try to get more physical on Balti. Viernes leans in. Apreco inside. He scores over Lervin Flores. The first quarter. Rayson against Elorde. Kurt makes his move. Drives to right. Oh!
3-point game.
1 for 2 para kay Nico Elorde. Kurt Rayson gives it up to Alcoriza to beat the buzzer. He does.
The thing is, all four players ball watch second. I thought he had a drive to the baseline. You can take 1-2 power dribbles and finish at the rim.
30-21 ang Pampanga. 7th turnover of the game. Junicio, balik ulit kay Larry Rodriguez. The fadeaway.
Dahil mas malalim na siya, still a high percentage shot, especially for Larry. Turnover.
They're getting some success here.
Good pass.
And Enzo Hoson.
Life yan. Currently at the 9th spot, nalong-lalo na, nanalo ang Negros kanina. Junicio goes to the post, sees the advantage on Serrano, testing his defense and was able to succeed tulad nitong layup. Another connection between Cruz and Hoson.
Oo nga pala. Coach Don, sorry Coach Don. Lima sa loob. Tolentino fires a 3. That won't drop. Rebound ni Junicio. Now with Cal Tolentino. Wants the matchup against Ramirez. Spins away. One-hander is good. Diretso sila kay Larry Rodriguez. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Larry. Bounce pass to Cruz. Leaves it to Calvo. Calvo. Fade away. It's good. Marwin Junicio. Cruz to Junicio. Fires the 3.
We talked about Pampanga's ability to execute South Cotabato. Simple play up top, Horns, and then the fill-in by Junicio up top. Nice up and under play. Get Junicio up in the air as Baltasar already up and under.
Nag-alangan sa pasa. Alcoriza put the bang on the bucket. First season.
Coach Gabby?
No, Coach Elvis.
Coach Elvis.
Rayson, the layup is good.
The number of hits that he gets, the number of double teams that he gets, it's the cost of being great.
That's a tough shot para kay MJ Garcia. He misses. Tolentino is ahead. Tolentino. Oh. Wala na sila sa loob ngayon. And it's the matchup between Baltasar and Junicio again. Flores. It's good. Rayson. Flores. Flores drives left. Flores. Nice. It's good. Off.
That is not an easy shot. Every time you absorb contact in the paint.
Tolentino drives middle. Tolentino lays it in.
Offensively, when he doesn't shoot, he's always on the glass, and you see how he's denying Concepcion right now.
Yeah. Baltasar nakalusot. Pang-apat na para kay Mark Cruz. Take a look at this drive para kay 12 ang lamang dito ng Pampanga. Mark Cruz, hesitation move. Cruz, yes. Baltasar in control all the time. And on the other side, Mark Cruz backing that one in.
Tolentino play for South Cotabato on both ends.
Serrano with Junicio. Baltasar
to the team.
Watch this play of the game brought to you by Suzuki. And Justin Baltasar
Because
to Junicio. Back to Tolentino. Tolentino. 5 seconds of shot clock here. Calvo aatake. Goes glass and it goes in. And extended their winning streak in the playoffs. They had a 25-game winning streak. Tolentino.
San Juan plays the same type of ball game. San Juan will wear you down also, especially in transition. They force the tempo because they have, the athletes and skilled players in transition to do so. So, not to mention, obviously,